Today I'm going to show you how to use AnyDesk Remote Desktop in a simple step-by-step way so you can connect to another computer, control it remotely, and start working as if you were sitting right in front of it. This is a great tool for tech support, remote work, helping family members, or accessing your own computer from another location. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on both computers. That means you need the AnyDesk app running on the computer you are using right now, and also on the computer you want to access remotely. Once AnyDesk opens, you'll see the main screen with a unique number labeled your address or this desk. This number is the device's AnyDesk ID, and it works like an address that other people use to connect to that computer. If you're connecting to someone else's computer, ask them to tell you their AnyDesk address. It's very important to enter the address exactly as shown, because even one wrong number will stop the connection from working. So take a moment to double check the ID before moving on. Now, in the remote desk box on your screen, type the AnyDesk address of the computer you want to connect to. Make sure the number is correct and complete. This is the step that tells AnyDesk which device you want to reach, so accuracy matters here. After that, click the Connect button. AnyDesk will now send a connection request to the remote computer. At this point, the person on the other computer will need to approve the request before you can gain access. On the remote computer, a connection request pop-up will appear. The user there simply needs to click Accept. Once they accept it, the remote session will begin, and you'll be connected to their desktop. Now you can control the remote computer just like it's in front of you. You can move the mouse, type with the keyboard, open files and folders, launch applications, and even troubleshoot problems from a distance. The remote computer will respond in real time, which makes AnyDesk extremely useful for support and remote access. And that's it. You've now learned how to use AnyDesk Remote Desktop from start to finish. Once you get the address, connect, and accept the request, you're ready to work remotely with ease. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.